so girly skin enduring. Growing up I felt so foolish. Normal never really cut it.
Hi Triple Threat, Ferly here, and welcome to our YouTube channel, the place to be if you want to learn how to dance and experience greatness in it. As you can tell, today is a chair choreography, so I want you to throw on your heels, grab a chair that's really stable, preferably something that doesn't have an arm. If it does have an arm to it, you'll still be able to work it out just fine, okay? So go ahead and grab those things. I just want to remind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, join the team. We would love to keep sharing with you. And like this class, okay? Because I listened to it. One of our most popular classes is To Earn It by Weekend. And I heard you. You want more heels class? And here it is, all right? So like it. All right, let's get started. This song is by Daniela Andrade and it's called TAMALE. It's beautiful. I want you to listen to how she sings. Sometimes we're gonna dance to the lyric, sometimes we're gonna dance to the beat. For that reason, instead of giving you counts, I'm going to kind of hum the song or say the lyrics just so you get used to it. It's a lot easier than 1 and 2, trust me, okay? All right, we're gonna start seated, obviously. Your feet are apart and I want you to sink those knees in and your heels are off the floor, okay? You're gonna start seated nice and tall. Anytime you dance with a chair, you don't wanna be all the way back on it. You wanna sit on the edge of it, okay? That way it gives you agility as a dancer and you can move around a lot easier than if you are stuck back here, okay? So you wanna be at the edge of your seat, feet are hip width apart, maybe a little bit wider depending on your internal rotators, how they're doing. Heels off the floor, knees together. Sit up nice and tall, start with your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, look up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Now it's lyrics. She says, woman, 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 click, click, tap. So we're gonna ride the lyrics, then we're gonna ride the beats, okay? First woman, you're gonna raise your right cheek off the chair and with your middle finger, you're tapping the side of your hip. Meanwhile, that right hand is of support to me on the chair. Woman, then to the other side, woman. Did you notice how my knees stay together, right? My shoulders are rolled back, chest is exposed. So let's do that again. Woman, lift up the butt cheek. Woman, then you're gonna open. Woman, come down through, my hand is here. It's like saying peekaboo down here. You're gonna come up the body as if the hand is bringing the chin up and back. So let's do that again. 7, 8. Woman, 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 woman. All right, here comes the beats. One more time. And woman, make sure you lift it off the chair. Woman, 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 hand behind the head, click, click. Those are the first 2 beats that we're gonna hit. It's all chin. My hand is here supporting the back of my head. Click, click. Open up those knees, bring the elbow in and tilt your head to the left. And there's a little snare. You're gonna slowly close that left knee and you're in this pose. Okay, so one more time. We reset, heels off the ground, knees together. We're looking down. 1, 2, 3, 4, look up, 5, 6, 7, click, click. Woman, 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 click, click. Open, in. One more time. 6, 7, 8. I stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up. 5, 6, 7. Shoulder, shoulder. Woman, 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 woman. T, T, ka. Ooh. Okay. So I want you to open those knees up. That elbow comes in pretty sharp. It's a sharp movement altogether. You open up those knees. You close that elbow. And you tilt your head to the left. That happens really sharp. From here, you slowly let this left hand caress the side of your face as you also softly close that left knee, okay? I'm gonna move on. If you need to pause here and go back, it's your class. Take it as many times as you need it from the beginning. So moving on, this is the second 8 count. We're gonna come around. 1, so I adjust my left foot to be a little bit wider because I'm gonna face that side of the room, okay? So I'm gonna adjust that foot out wider. 1, as I snap that hand around. 2, I settle. My left hand is my support. I love using this part of the chair. If that's not available to you, you can always use the seat, but something that allows you to find stability and give you support, okay? So my hand is there. I land my right hand on top of my left knee. We're gonna hit those counts again. There's a beat, and there's another beat that I'm gonna land a little bit farther. So the first beat, I'm landing it's pretty comfortable, like elbow on top of the thigh, right? Middle thigh, and my wrist is just hanging off of my right knee. This one is gonna be further. This one, my elbow's on top of my knee, and I see that forearm dangling. Okay, it's a nice little detail. So one more time. We were here, right? We're caressing. This is 1, 2, ta, doom, doom. So that timing is 1, 2, ta, doom, doom. 1, 2, ta, doom, doom. Okay, it will make sense. Ready? Try it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, ta, doom, doom. Good. Here comes another 2 little beats. It will all make sense once you hear the music. On that beat, you're gonna go contract and release, okay? All about the isolation, right? So contract your abs as tight as you can, stretch out that spine, and arch for me. Cool? One more time. So you're here, 7, 8. 1, 2, ta, doom, doom. Boom, boom. Is it out, in? I think I lied to you. It's out, in. Out, in. Same contraction is just the opposite. So you arch it back first, then in, then you're gonna come up with your hair. And that should feel really good. Okay, let's take it from the top. So I lied to you. It's arch first and then contract. So from the top, feet are wider than the hips, right? My heels are up, knees are inverted, they're touching, holding onto the chair, nice and tall. You hold 1, 2, 3, 4, look up, 5, 6, 7, 8, and woman, 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 T, T, ha, ha, click, to hope, to, okay? There's a little tiny 2 beats after that. You're just gonna go tap, tap, and that's the end of that 8. Cool? One more time from the beginning, then we'll take one more 8. And again, always pause and always go back and always redo it, relearn it as you need it. 1, 2, 3, 4, look up, 5, 6, 7, shoulder, shoulder, woman, 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 click, click, out. Ooh, 1, 2, pop, 2, 2, hold, T, T, D, D. Just a little detail, okay? Take it back if you need to, otherwise, come on, let's keep going with me. T, T, you're gonna go shoulder roll on the right, 1, on the left, 2, on the right, 3. While this is a distraction, this left hand right here is again finding that sweet spot that I like. It's either the bottom of your chair, if you have this corner or diagonal iron available, grab it, or it's the back of the chair. It's anywhere that gives you stability, okay? So from here, I came up 8, TD. I go right shoulder roll, left shoulder roll, right shoulder roll, and then I land. So remember, this hand is holding on, right? I land on the floor, nice and easy, with my feet flexed. My right leg is straight, my left leg is bent, and then you're gonna give me point, flex, and you're gonna come up. That's an ab workout right here. One more time, same spot. So I came up, boom, I did tap, tap. I go right shoulder, left shoulder. This is a distraction while I'm grabbing that chair. Right shoulder, boom. And then you're gonna give me articulation of the ankles, T, T, come up. Now that ha, as much as you can come up abruptly, so that hair just whips forward, it will feel so delicious. It will feel like someone pulled you up. And that's what I want. It almost seems like a man is here with you the whole time. Your partner is here with you the whole time. And they just yanked you up. Cool? Let's take it from the top because you have one more 8 count and that's it. All right? Heels up, knees in. Sitting up nice and tall, you hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up. 5, 6, 7. TT. Woman, 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 T, boom. Felt so good at T, 2, hold, ta, ta, up, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, land, T, and that's it. We're gonna teach you one more 8, but before we go there, I wanna try it with music, okay? You already learned 3 8s, that's a lot. Let's listen to it. We're gonna do it together 3 times with the music, then I'll teach you that last 8 count, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, turn it up. 5, 6, 7, T. Woman, 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 T.
Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing up, I felt so foolish.
That was the first time. Like if you got it, you're amazing. I did not expect you to get it at all, okay? Let's try it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Woman, 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 woman. Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing up, I feel so foolish.
Yeah? One more? Let's do one more. Listen, if at any point, let's stop for a second. If at any point you need to just stop and watch, that's the magic of video. You can replay it, right? So if this time you need to stop and watch and listen for the musicality so you can have like a eureka moment, like, oh, I hear what she's hearing. And that's what you do, okay? Otherwise, come with me. Third and final time, we're gonna finish this routine. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woman, 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 woman.
Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing up, I feel so foolish.
Yeah? Okay, let's finish it. You're already up. I don't know if you cramped, but I just cramped. But we don't show it. So you did here, T, up. You're gonna go back to the floor. 1, hold 2. 3, notice I'm grabbing my seat now. Up, up. So as I brought my legs straight, I rotated my booty on my chair. So I face you. Down, out, jump, and this is the last move. Click, click, and that's the end. That's all timing. The steps are not hard. It's just the musicality, which you already figured out by now, right? So we finished here, move by move, without musicality. My arm came up like it flowed up with me. I go down with this time both of my legs straight. I come up, sit up like boat pose, just like in Pilates class. You're gonna straighten your right leg, straighten your left leg, tap your toes down, tap your toes out, boom, and that's a grab. And then I'm gonna click my hips to the left and then to the right. And that's the end of the first part, okay? All right, I will keep going with this routine on another video, but this is what I want you to focus on for this class, yeah? One more time, you're in, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8 in. Those counts are so hard. I'm telling you, the more you get used to the music, the easier this will be, okay? But those were the counts. Jesus helped me, and those were actually the correct counts. I never count correctly. So this is 8, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8 in. I got it right again. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and. Cool? Let's hear the music. We're gonna take it from the top. You can mark the first 3 8s, and then even if you have to stop and listen to that musicality at the end, because we're home. You already learned everything you needed to learn, okay? Let's do it.
Woman, 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 woman. Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing up, I felt so foolish. Normal never really cut it.
First time is for you. Second time, I want you to think of a specific person who you'd be dancing for. And the third time, you're gonna pretend you're performing for thousands of people and feel the power of that, okay? But one time at a time. All right, this one is for you. Make it feel good in your body. Let's do it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it.
Woman, 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 woman. Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing up, I felt so foolish. Normal never really cut it.
Yep. This second time, if you have someone, maybe you grab the girlfriend to take this class with you, you do your energy towards her and her energy towards you. If you got a guy next to you doing this choreography, do it for each other, okay? But the point is to give your energy away. Now it's no longer about ego and self. Now it's about someone else. That's what dance is, right? It's service. All right, let's try it. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Woman, 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 woman. Hair so curly, skin enduring. Growing felt so foolish. Normal never really cut it.
Yep. Third time. If you've taken class from us before, you already heard this speech. Third time is for a crowd of people, for your audience, right? Dance has always been a cultural thing. Dance has always been service. Dance has always been a gift, an art. And we would be cheating you if we don't treat dance that way. So now I want you to close your eyes and imagine this beautiful stage, beautiful lights, what you're wearing, who your audience is. And this is your chance to serve. This is your chance to give a gift through your dancing, through your movement. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. Make it feel so good. It's about them, okay? You use this for them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-ta. That's it. Triple threat. You did it. If you have not subscribed to our channel and you enjoyed this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would love to include you as part of our team for us to keep sharing with you. And if you like this class, press the like button. That tells me you like it, and that tells me you want more of it. And we'll keep creating for you, okay? Love you. See you next class.